Are you looking for the best scooter for tricks? In this video we will look at some of the best scooter for tricks on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1, Kick Scooter for Ages. This scooter is specially designed for teens and kids to encourage kids to get out, exercise while playing, rather than staying at home. Perfect for commuting to school or playing in the park with friends. Just touch the folding button to fold your scooter into a small compact size. With the carrying strap, you can take the scooter anywhere you want. The handle double layer lock prevents the handle from falling. Extra wide non-slip deck, max load riders 240 pounds, and the high quality heat treated brakes provide you with security. 8-inch wear-resistant wheels with ABEC 9 bearings and the latest suspension system provide a smoother ride than most, ensuring you're more relaxed while riding. Supports 3.9 FT, 6.2 FT height riders. The handlebar is adjustable to 4 height options: 31, 33.8, 36.4, 39. The perfect family scooter. The same scooter can be used by parents and daughter and son riding together. Exquisitely packaged gift boxes to kids and adults. Whether it's a birthday gift, Thanksgiving gift, or a Christmas gift, this will be a gift that anyone really wants. Number 2, Electric Scooter 10 inches solid tires. The upgraded 600 watts electric brushless motor allows for speeds up to 19 miles per hour. High capacity battery with a max travel range of up to 20 miles under specific conditions, and max load of 220 pounds. One-step folding system for easy portability. 1+ adult electric scooter can be folded with ease in mere 3 seconds. You can carry it on public transportation, store it in your car and any destination you desire effortlessly. 1+ scooter for adults of front and rear wheel equipped with 10-inch solid tires are designed to make riding more convenient and less hassle, provide max comfort, even on rough surfaces or speed bumps. The solid tire of scooters does not require inflation, repair, maintenance. With the ultra-bright LED display, Bluetooth capabilities, cruise control, select riding modes and smart mobile app connectivity for additional security. And double braking system features a disc braking and EABS regenerative anti-lock braking. Number 3, Fuzion Z350 Pro Scooter. It is wider and lighter and they can ride it hard just like the Pros. In fact, the new Z350 is one of the lightest scooters in its class. Our top trick scooter is packed with custom components, not to mention an epic design that lets them look the part while they master their best tricks ever. Fitted with 110mm hollow core wheels and ABEC 9 bearings, the highest precision you can get. Custom nylon, steel brake that's tough, quick, and quiet. High-strength aluminium dip bar with supports and fitted with Fuzion's hex pattern pro grips gives maximum control and comfort. Wider 5 inches aircraft aluminium deck with slick Fuzion custom deck graphics. Quick and easy 2-minute assembly with all parts, instructions, and tools included. Ready to ride instantly so you focus on learning new tricks. Number 4, COLT S5 Trick Scooter. Stacked with quality, the COLT range is for the rider that's growing, learning tricks and at the skate park more and more. The little bro to the Prodigy scooter range is out to impress for an affordable price. High quality components build these trick scooters. Scooters has been making professional scooters for more than 14 years. Always pushing technology and industry. High quality paints adorned with our Lil COLT graphics. These paints are auto level in color and durability and will impress any scooter pro. We stand by our products. Built and designed from the highest quality materials by our own factory team, this COLT scooter is an incredible park scooter and BMX scooter. From beginner to professional, has scooters for teens 12 years and up. Pro scooters for adults and youth. Build one up from our wide range of aftermarket parts to suit your needs. Number 5, Prodigy S9 Pro Scooter. The Prodigy scooter range is the Pro scooter's most popular, top of the line with pro scooter parts, wrapped in eye-catching finishes. for the ultimate value. This Envy scooter has the broadest range of uses, from regular everyday cruising to crushing it at the skate park. High quality components build up these trick scooters. Envy Scooters has been making professional scooters for more than 14 years. Always pushing technology and industry. The Prodigy S9 scooter will take you to becoming the next scooter pro. Wide selection of colorways, high quality paints, hydro wraps, anodizing and pearlescence. Unique Envy scooter grips and scooter wheels mean there is an Envy Prodigy S9 Pro Scooter for everyone. Full manufacturer, we stand by our products. Built and designed from the highest quality materials by our own factory team, Envy Prodigy scooters are no exception. Complete range of freestyle scooters from beginner to professional. Envy has a scooter for kids ages 6-12. Pro scooters for teens and pro scooters for adults. Can't find the exact one? Build one up from our wide range of aftermarket parts to suit your needs.